my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. As you already know, Bobbi is going to be playing in some makeup. I really don't know what I'm going to do. I've been letting colors like follow me, but we want to do some cut creases and we might play. We gonna get a little crazy today, okay? We're going to be starting off with my eyebrows. But yes, my boo, how have you been? I've been doing good. I've been feeling better because y'all know I was sick, okay? So I've been feeling so much better, but I have been working, but I've been slowing down. I've been taking my time. But yeah, we just going to hit this right in. So that's actually what I've been doing. I've been working smarter and not harder, you know? But yeah, I gotta be a little quiet because y'all already know I don't be playing about my eyebrows, all right? If you want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know under the comments. But until then, I'm doing my eyebrows. My boos know I need to be quiet because these brows are like so important. You is smart, you is kind, you is important. I found a new read, by the way. It's called Women Who Pray. Oh my God, get the book. It's by T.D. Jakes. So we're gonna pat this all over the eye, you know what? But yes, I've been just really working and chilling and just reading, having productive conversations. What you are talking about is very important on a day-to-day basis. I feel like if you are talking about some positive stuff or growing or learning, that's what your mind would exude. If you talking about people and doing all that, that's what your mind would exude too. Just always talking about somebody. So just having real productive conversations to me is always key. Now we're going to lighten up the eyes a little bit. So you already know we're gonna be jumping into the Plouise. Ain't nothing changed. And this is the Rumor 2 base. I still want my eyes to be light. So we're gonna make sure this lid is bright as possible. Pat that all in. We're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna be jumping into the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Plouise. And we're gonna be starting off with this purple right here. All right, y'all, I'm starting from scratch. Usually I come on here with one eye. I'm starting with scratch with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm letting y'all see. We're gonna be taking Candace, stamping Candace right in the crease. And I think it's safe to say it's good to blend as you stamp. Take your time, do it right, we can do it, baby. Just like that. Get the stamping. And now we're going to be jumping into the Carnival palette, touching into this purple, and it's called Wasted. And we're going to just blend those edges in because I noticed that that purple has like a pink undertone to it. I kind of want to make this a true purple look. And just keep blending till you can't no more. Oh yeah, baby, that look good. Don't stop till you get enough. That look good. All right, so now we just gonna real quick just blend this. So are we cutting a crease, Stacy? Are we cutting a crease? We are cutting a crease, honey. So you already know if you're gonna cut the crease, you gotta cut it with the Mitchel blank canvas. And I'm going to just mix this Mitchel with the e.l.f. concealer. Hold your breath. Just going to take a clean brush and just blend the edges right out before they dry. Just blend them out really, really good. And now I'm going to jump into that darker purple. Now I'm going to be jumping into Lights Out, and that's a black, and I'm just going to tap that right here real good in my outer V. Darken it up just a little bit, not to take away the purple, but to give it a nice tone. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Rivera palette, and this is the Anastasia, and we're going to be jumping into Cabana. Place this all over the crease. Tap that all over the eye like that, baby. I want it to be like a nude. That's how I'm sending nudes. Alright, so now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into some liner because you know I'm just in the mood for a little extraness today. So we're going to be jumping into this liner right here. I got it from Amazon. And we're going to real quick line this eye. So now since we have that down, we're going to be doing some glitter. And I'm going to just take this duo glue and I'm going to lay it right on the cut crease. That look pretty, right? Now since I have that down, I'm going to jump into this NYX. Put it like right here. And I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm just going to lay it. We might as well just go in with a little diamonds, right? Like it wouldn't hurt, will it? Ooh, we're gonna pull this tape and bow. I just pulled this eye out of the hat and I love where it's at, okay? So I'm going to really quick do this other eye and then we're gonna jump right into face, okay? So my boo, we got these eyes down. Now we're going to be jumping into foundation. First, if you don't prime, just like Nikki say, it's definitely a crime, okay? So I've already moisturized my face, so we're gonna be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. You already know. Get that real good. Get it all in your skin. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into foundation. And lately, boo, my foundation has been the Double Wear Estee Lauder foundation. And this is actually in the color Deep Spice. And this foundation definitely be giving me skin, baby. Like, okay. So we going to put that all over the face. I'm definitely going to be taking a beauty blender and blending this in really good. And lately, y'all, I remember I was saying in my other videos about how I don't really like beauty blenders, but lately beauty blenders has been like on my side. I don't know, like I've been feeling it. I've been feeling a beauty blender. Shoot. Now since we have that down, put this in the ponytail because I really want to get all up in here. You feel me? We're going to be jumping into concealer and we're going to be jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury. I haven't changed my routine, boo. I'm still doing the same thing. And as y'all can see, this coverage is everything. Don't play with Charlotte's coverage. Next, we're gonna be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. My boos already know how I do. Next, we're going to contour this face and we're going to be jumping into the Bobbi Brown. And this is in the color Expresso. Really quick. Contour this nose all the way down real good. So now we just gonna blend this in real good. Don't worry about them under eyes. I didn't even get a chance to show you guys how I did my under eye because my camera got messed up while I was doing my under eye. But yeah, blend that right in. Okay. Baby, ooh, baby. Blend in this contour, baby. Ooh. Just keep blending real good. Now we're gonna bake real quick. We're gonna be jumping into the e.l.f. matte setting powder, and this is in the color tan. Tap. Don't forget to get your lines, girl, especially if you got lines like me, honey, okay? Get the lines. And while that's gonna bake just a little bit, we're gonna go back into this nose and we're gonna contour this nose real good. I used to be so scared of baking, but now, baby, put a whole baking table on me, baby. Just set that real good. While that bake just keeps sitting there. And then now we're gonna take a bigger, fluffier brush and we're gonna jump back into that dark deep and dust it off. So we're gonna be taking the E4 Morphe brush and we're gonna be taking the Mocha Mami, you already know. And we're gonna be warming this face once I find it. We're just gonna take that and just warm that face up for a little bit. I like a little warmth, baby. All right, now since we have that down, we about to be jumping into highlight. Y'all already know my fave highlight is in this Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. You know what, we gonna jump into Gold Luck. We gonna make it do what it do. So we gonna take that. We gonna give it to them like that. Are we playing? No, we're not playing with them today. We giving for the girls, honey. We gonna do the middle of your forehead. So for lip, honey, we're going to keep it nude, jumping into the Night Mauve, and this is by MAC. All right, now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into this Morphe, and this is a matte lip and it's called Boo. And I do think that it will be good for a little blush. So I'm going to be jumping into my NYX Sweet Cheeks. Lightly just tapping that on my cheek. Now I'm going to let this hair down and spray this face. And I don't even want to do no earrings. I just want to give you the final look. I really, really love how this look came out. If you love the way how this came out too, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button. Also leave me a comment down below. Okay, boo? Also, my boo, if you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you waiting for, but subscribe. You feeling the kid and I'm feeling you, period, okay? Because you're watching me and you keeping it thorough by watching it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button either, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. With that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video and watching my growth. You feel what I'm saying? The growth is crazy. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.